Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and I'm going to walk you through how to approach and start working on Module 2 for our CSIT 125 Word class. On my page, I've logged into Canvas, which is always where you should start for every module. From here, the home page for Word, you can click the modules link in the left-hand side here, or you can scroll to the bottom where the yellow buttons are and click the modules button here. You should see Module 2 displayed on the modules page. Start with Overview, and please read through the Overview page. It explains what you're going to be doing in Module 2. It's very brief. It shows you the skills you're going to learn about, and it also includes a summary of the required tasks you need to complete for this module. In the lower left corner of the page, you might need to scroll a little bit to get there. Click the Next button. First thing you'll see here is the lecturette. This is a brief lecture that I typed up for you, and it includes some illustrations. So please definitely read through the lecturettes, all of them all the time, because they include not just information from the chapter, but also some clarifications of certain topics, and also it includes some enhancements, some things that the chapter may not have that you really need to know about. So please go ahead and read through the lecturette. They're really not that long. And at the lower right, click Next when you're ready to go to the next page. Here in this module, we have 3 different videos that you're going to watch. Scroll through, read what the instructions tell you, and here are the 3 videos: the setting up tabs in a document, how to insert hyperlinks in a document, and how to work with section breaks in a document. Please be sure to watch all 3 videos. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click the lower right Next button. Here is something a little bit different. This is a page that shows you what to read, but it also includes information about the SimNet tutorials. You're going to be graded for the first time on the SimNet tutorials in Chapter 2 for Module 2. And so read through this page. It explains what you're going to be doing. And at the bottom, there is a video to watch that shows you how to do the Let Me Try the tutorials in Module 2. Now, and in SimNet. I'm trying something different for the first time here in Canvas. At the very bottom below the video, there should be a link displayed on your page that looks something like this: Load Module 2, Read and Do SimNet Tutorials in a New Window. You will click, I want you to try to click on this, and what it's supposed to do is take you right into SimNet, so that right to the place where you can read Chapter 2 and do the tutorials. Now if it doesn't do that for you, if you can't, it doesn't work out, then what you should do is come back to this page here in Canvas, and at the top left of the page you'll click this link here, McGraw-Hill SimNet, and that's a definite way you can get into SimNet and open Module 2, Chapter 2, and do the Let Me Try tutorials that way. But I'm really hoping that this link down here at the bottom will work for you. Please let me know, by the way, send me an email, a brief email, let me know if it did work or did not work. In the lower right corner here, I'm going to click Next to get to the next page in the module. And this next page introduces the project itself. Be sure to look here in this area where it tells you when the project is due and how many points it is worth. Also, it tells you what kind of file that you're going to be uploading, if you're going to upload a file or not, and the type of file it can be. A docx is a Word file, and you would click the blue Submit Assignment button up here when you're finished with the project and you're ready to turn it in. But before that, please go ahead and read through all these directions and information. There are some important notes to look at. There is one student data file. This is the file you need to load, download to your computer and start working on it. That is the beginning of the project. There is some additional advice here that you need to follow. Please be sure to read through everything. At the bottom, it tells you how you're going to be evaluated in this module. I'm going to click Next which brings you just to the end of the module. This is just to mark the end to make sure you know there's nothing else to do, nothing else you have to do for this module. If you have any questions, please do email me right away. Don't procrastinate on this. Please get it started as soon as possible because it has a little bit extra stuff in it than it did in the last module.